Welcome to the exercise section. As I mentioned before, we are going to create a ref script to record our analysis. It is possible to use RefBase directly from the terminal and just type the commands in and it will give you exactly the same result. However, putting your commands into a script will allow you to save your analysis and then modify or rerun it later, which is much more convenient for complex analysis of this kind. So as you can see, I have the script open right here. So this records all the commands that we will use during this analysis. Note that the pound character denotes a command line which will not be processed by RefBase. So this is ideal to, for instance, write a description of what the script is about, like I have here at the beginning, or you can use that to partition your script into different sections that record different models or different parts of the analysis. You can also just use it to record what some lines do. Now, the lines of command in the script will match exactly the lines that are in the tutorial. Going back to the tutorial, we will start with, of course, importing the data we need for our analysis. And as we've seen previously, the data is composed of two different files. The first one is the bear taxa.tsv, which is a tab-separated table with all the bear species we have in our analysis and what their ages are. For extant taxa, of course, the minimum age is 0, i.e. the present. We also have a bears morphology.next, which is an Nexus file which contains the morphological alignment for all of our morphological characters. Now we need to create a separate file for the ref script, or you can just use directly the one you have downloaded. That's up to you if you don't want to retype everything. This will contain all the instructions.